Good morning, everybody. Ryan, the Leaders RPM here. Another walk through the shop. Let's see what we have going on this morning. First up, we're over here in our Marine Tech's Mitch's Bay. Mitch, what do you got going on this morning?
Just finishing up used boat prep and had to fix the fuel line on it and it's a stereo system and everything's working good now.
Kick it out the
door.
door.
Ready to go for the customer.
All right, next up, it's Pete, one of our power sport techs. Pete, what are you working on this morning?
Hey, we got a Sea-Doo Tricks here. We just did a upper deck replacement, and customer decided he wanted a few extra things done while we were in here.
What's all involved in replacing the upper deck?
It separates two halves. There's a big seal. Had to swap some stuff over in the handlebar assembly. I think it was an insurance estimate deal, but
It's a pretty involved job altogether, though.
yeah, a few hours labor in there for sure.
Next up, we are in Brian's Bay. Brian's one of our marine mechanics. He just had this boat pulled in here. Brian, what are we doing to the boat today?
So today we're doing some spark plugs and a seasonal tune-up on this E-Tech. And one thing that you got to remember about these E-Techs is you have to index the spark plugs so that the ground electrode is actually facing the injector. And it's kind of a tricky process, but we're pretty good at it.
Next up, we're in Blake's Bay. Blake is one of our marine technicians. Let's see what he's got going on. All right, Blake, what do you got going on here?
Just wrapped up a used boat prep for a customer, getting it water ready and ready for the spring season.
Is this ready to go to the lake now, or is this something that post-lake test that we had to do some additional check
Nope,
over on?
it is now ready to go to the lake.
Next up, we are here in Mandy's Bay. Mandy is our upholstery and canvas shop. And you can see here she recently had just finished up some reupholstering some seats. It's one of the many things we do here at Leaders RPM with some custom canvas work that we have, along with the covers, canvas, a lot of different materials and jobs that we can handle here at Leaders RPM. Next up, we're in our body shop here. Body shop foreman Mark underneath the pontoon. Replaces the pontoons. Just one of the many things we do here at Leaders RPM. Next up, we are in our Marine Tech Chad's Bay. Chad, what do you got going on?
Well, today we're finishing up on a reseal that we had over the winter time. I assume that would be unshrink wrapping the pontoon that it goes on and installing the lower unit back on it so that it'll be ready for the season.
Just double check everything sealing up before it gets back to the customer.
Make sure it's all good and,
Yeah.
you know, make them happy. And then I got to use boat prep after that. So
Next up, we're back in our wash bay here. We're gonna go see what Shop 37 Cleaner Dude's got going on. All right, top Shop 37 Cleaner Dude, what do you got going on?
I got a customer boat almost done. I'm done with the inside. You know what I'm saying? Just getting ready to make the customer happy. Not a job too big, not a job too small. Shop 37 does it all. Like that.
Yeah. Thank you.